What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and where else you going to go to see a night flight of the Trashcan Trashcan? So we about to get into this real quick. We gonna fly FPV as well. So let's take off with this guy. I got a 300 milliamp hour 2S tattoo in here. So let's see if we can I can manage to get my goggles on without this thing flying away too far. Oh, this battery must be dead. Let's bring it down. I bought a backup battery. So we're gonna take off with this BetaFPV 350 milliamp hour battery. Slightly larger, might be a little better. More available power. Same deal. Let's try to take off from the ground this time. Make sure we're still recording. And we are. Definitely more power in this guy. You guys hear that? A lot more power in these XT30 connections. You can ride higher throttle longer with this XT30 and this 350 milliamp hour 2S. Check the punch outs, y'all. I got some weird washout right there. Let's do some low flying. Try to shoot down here. That washout is crazy right there. This thing does have a weird washout issue. People are saying that this doesn't exist at all in the Mobile S7 or Mobile S7, so I'm anxious to get that one. Does it a lot with this little thing. That's all we got. Pretty decent flight time though with it. So that's it. A quick snow flurry night flight with the Trashcan. Thanks for watching.